Okay, so the last job I've got all the wheels on is to adjust the steering stocks. Because these tyres are, what size are they now? They're 265, 75, 16s, and you can see they're quite a balloony tyre. Well, what's happening is if you put them onto like full lock, they're hitting on the radius arm under here. It's not good. So in order to set this one, we actually set the other one. Let's see if we can see it. There. Now you see I put a new bolt in there, if you can see this. There, look, see there? I put a new bolt in there, but perhaps that bolt's too short, because the other one was all bent. So, yeah, I might have to get a bigger bolt for that. It's a bit tricky to get into. Oh, I didn't tighten it up because I knew I had this to do. Yeah, I don't know if I'm that. Maybe. Let's move it out a bit more. There, see, now I'm going to have to put a bigger bolt in there because it popped off back in the bin. So I've set this one now, and you can see how far it stuck out because of these big balloony tyres. You know, it's going to reduce the turning circle, but at least it's not going to rip the side of the tyres off. Now, I've done the same to the other side, and you can see there that that wheel is hitting the radius arm, so now I've got to adjust the other one. We haven't got much thread to play with. These are stuck really far out, but it's got it. So now we've just got to tighten up the lock nut, which is a bit easier said than done, because the lock nut keeps the shield on as well. You can't get these big spanners in, you know. No, you can. Just. Put something to lock that one. So I'll get this done, and I'm going to show you something interesting at the back of the truck. Because when we put the new shafts in and the flanges and set the axle up properly, you should see what a difference it's made. So here we are at the rear prop shaft. Watch me when I turn the prop and I'm holding this wheel here. Look at that, it's perfect, look. You see? Tiny, tiny amount, but before it was almost like quarter of a turn. Job done. So I'm going to drop this car down now, tinker around with a few things on the engine. Before I drop it down, I'm going to clean out the water trap at the back, put a new fuel filter on, get it running, get it out, because then we're going to have to decide what we're going to do with this engine. So, did this make this Land Rover better? Well, I think so. Hope so. See you later.